Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little dollar store or Dollar Tree, excuse me, haul that I did. Um, a lot of these products I will be using in my upcoming videos this week, so I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on kind of what I got. Get your minds working. What is she gonna make with them? These are just some acrylic paints, and I think it was orange, goldenrod, eggnog, and deep yellow. Um, I've never tried their paints before, so I figured why not? Let's give it a shot and see what they're like. These I haven't made up my mind what to do with, and if anyone has any ideas, I would love to hear them. But I thought that they're really pretty. They're these little wooden cutouts. I'm sure I can incorporate them into something. I just don't know yet, but I would love to hear your ideas. Now here's some more wooden cutouts that I got. I got them in a pumpkin, the maple leaf. I've got acorns, apples, and something else. Oh, like a little latte cup or whatever. These cute little pumpkin beads here, I thought maybe I can use to dress up something. Yeah, there's the latte wooden cutouts. I also got some tacky glue. I don't have any, so I figured why not? Might use it up on something. This is pretty cool. It's a sugar skull wooden cutout. I thought it was really cute, and I have some ideas. There's a male and female one. The Day of the Dead is coming up in November, so thought we could do something pretty cool with that here in the next several weeks or so. Um, yeah, that's pretty much. Oh no, that's that's not the extent of what I got. I have a whole nother bag. All right, they had some vinyl there. Now, I have not had the chance to look yet because it does say for most um cutting machines. I don't know if it'll work for my Cricut, so I do have to research it before I can use them. But they had some glitter ones. That's the main ones that I got was various glitter vinyls. But I thought for $1, why not? If they work, save me money. I did get some little glass votive candle holders. I may try and make a mold again here soon, and I have some ideas for what I'd like to do with those if I can get it to work. This, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Some kind of like a ribbony type stuff. There's the acorn cutouts. I did get some foam sponge brushes. There's the apples. Yeah, a lot of this is going to be coming up soon. These cool little fall leaves that aren't actually attached to anything. You get way more than what you would get buying it already attached. Some dried moss, some really cool Halloween like lace table runners, and they've got like spiders and spider webs and stuff on them, so I thought that could be pretty cool. I'm actually already in the process of using that, but that video won't come out for a couple of weeks. And oh, then I got these tin I guess like garden type things, but I thought I could probably do something kind of neat with them. So I got that one, and then I got one other one. I feel they're more springy-ish, but I still thought they were kind of cool. So we're gonna try it. I got the baby powder one of you guys suggested that I get for the mold. So that's it for this video. Like I said, real quick ones. Stay tuned for next week's. They're gonna be something really special. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And I will see you guys on Monday. Love you guys. Bye.